Hello friends, just got something in the box in the mail and thought of sharing. Here it is. What could it be? Let's find out. A little hint that I have taken it seriously to get my exercise routine in order, and I have also started running. So I ran a couple of 5Ks and I want to continue to do that. So in order to do that, I was using my Apple Watch in order to track my step counts and track my run and calories and all the metrics, and I thought it was a good idea to get a dedicated sports watch instead. See what we have here. Ooh. Just put the box away. And let's see what we got here. This looks like a Garmin watch. The box is a little different because I saw some videos in which the box was a little different. It was a little tall box, but this seems to be a smaller box. Maybe they have changed it. So let's try opening it. And wow, this is definitely a custom box. And I ordered different kinds of band. Instead of the regular black watch bands, I ordered the white bands, which I thought would be a little interesting. So these are the white bands, and here's the watch. Can you take a guess which model of Garmin watch is this? I'll probably give it away in this next snapshot. Yes, it's Fenix 7X. It's beautiful. It's big. Let's see how it compares to my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch is 45 mm and this Garmin watch is 51 mm. I don't think it looks too bad or too big. Okay, let's put on the strap. I'm not going to start it now. I'll put that in my next video. But here's how you put the band on. I think you pull this back and just snap it on. That's how you do it in the top, and then the same way in the bottom. Just pull this back and snap it on. Very easy. I would say this is even easier than the Apple Watch. Incredible build. I'm loving it so far. I think I may have to charge it before I start the watch. So I'll go set up the watch and then come back in my next video to tell you all about it. So this is Garmin Fenix 7X. It has a titanium body and it has all these sensors on the back. It looks amazing.